Today we will try to know why do we offer betel leaves and vadamala to Lord Hanuman. According to the Ramayana, when Lord Hanuman reached the Lanka to convey the message of Lord Rama to Mata Sita Devi, she gave him a garland made with the betel leaves as she could not find anything else to offer him as a token of delight and appreciation. This is why people offer the betel leaves while worshipping the Lord Hanuman. One can just offer betel leaves to Lord Hanuman without a lime or a garland consisting of betel leaves rolled like a flute and tied with a thread and made it into a garland. One can take 21, 31, or 51 or 108 leaves for the purpose. Offering the betel leaves or the betel leaves garland to the Lord Hanuman pleases the Lord Hanuman as it reminds him the Mata Sita. Lord Hanuman is not only the devotee of Lord Rama but also of Mata Sita Devi. The tradition of offering the betel leaves to Lord Hanuman has been going on for years. It is believed that offering betel leaves to Hanumanji has many benefits. Offering the betel leaves to the Hanumanji removes the money related problems, means money issue, financial crisis. It brings the progress in life and brings the happiness and prosperity. Offering the betel leaves to Hanumanji fulfills our wishes. It provides the relief from problems in life. Offering the betel leaves to Hanumanji removes the unwanted fear. Obstacles in work are removed and give the success in the work. And offering the betel leaves to Hanumanji on Tuesday brings the blessings of the goddess Lakshmi and remove the evil effects of the Rahu, that is planet. Method of offering betel leaves to Hanumanji. To offer the betel leaves to Hanumanji, Gulkand, fennel, coconut burra and suman katri should be added to the betel leaf. And kasu. The betel leaf should be sweet and juicy. Lime, tobacco and betel nut should not be put in the pan. After performing the puja as per the rituals, pan should be offered by saying, "Oh Hanumanji, the sweet pan is offered. Please fill my life with the sweetness." Betel leaves are always considered the auspicious and sacred, same as bilva, tulsi and durva grass. It is believed that goddess Lakshmi and Vishnu reside in the betel leaves. Betel leaves are one of the puja items in the Hindu rituals, and these leaves along with the betel nuts are offered as the tambulam after Naivedyam for its medicinal properties. These leaves aid in the good digestion, eliminates the bad breath, treats the ulcers and boosts the immunity levels. Coming to the Lord Hanuman is decorated with the betel leaves on every Saturday and Tuesday. Lord Hanuman reached the Sri Lanka where Sita Ma was held the hostage and conveyed the message of Lord Rama to her. Sita Devi was overwhelmed and garlanded the Hanuman with betel leaves as a token of joy and appreciation. Actually, she was in the Ashokavana garden and she could not find any flowers nearby to make a garland. So from that day onwards, people started offering the betel leaves garland to the Hanuman. Why we will put the Vadamala to the Lord Hanuman? Let us we know what is the reason behind that. One day one devotee was asked the question to the Kanchi Paramacharya. A North Indian devotee cleared his throat and said, Anjaneya Swami is worshipped all over India, but he was not able to understand why in the south the people adore the Anjaneya with Vadamala made of urad dal mixed with the pepper. Whereas in North India, they do it with a sweet jangri. He also added that he had not received any convincing answer from anybody so far. Swamiji explained how fast The children, when they make some fuse to eat, the mother coaxes them to see the moon outside, and child enjoys seeing the bright moon and cool breeze outside and finishes eating. Similarly, when Hanuman was a child, he took a liking to look at the sun blazing in the sky. He had not stopped with that. He went to catch the sun with his hand. At the same time, Rahu Devata was also racing to catch the sun god to eclipse the sun. In the race between Hanuman and Rahu, Hanuman being the son of Vayu, the wind god Vayuputra, won with ease, and in appreciation of Hanuman's value, Rahu Deva sanctioned a boon that whoever worshipped the Hanumanji with the food item made out of the urad dal would get relieved from the Rahu dosha in the birth chart of the person, and that Rahu Graha would not trouble them anymore. Further item offered to Hanumanji had to be made in the form of garland or bent like a serpent, which is how the Rahu Deva appears. Rahu also admitted that urad dal was his favorite item, and food item prepared with the urad dal was to his immense liking. Paramacharya have explained the significance of Vadamala Aradhana to Anjaneya Swami, went on to bring out the background for the differences in the culture between the people in the south and north. South India is famous for the salt cultivation, as north is for the sugar cane. Vada is made food item made out of the urad dal with salt and pepper added for improving its taste. So people in the south offer the Vadamala Aradhana to Anjaneya Swami, but in the northerns, people prefer the sweet to salt. However, the jangri is made mainly out of urad dal, which satisfies the condition imposed by the Rahu Devata. Sugarcane grows in plenty only in the north. Hence, the people there are developed it as a custom to worship Anjaneya Swami with a garland of jangris, that is 108 jangris. So, compelled by Jagadguru Sri Mahaparvacharya is given a nice answer to the devotee. These are all the reasons behind that we offer the betel leaves and Vadamala to the Lord Hanuman. By offering the betel leaves and Vadamala to the Hanuman, we will get some benefits. Let us know what benefits we will get. Offering the Vadamala, a garland made of vadas, a type of deep fried lentil fritter to Lord Hanuman, is believed to bring several benefits, primarily related to overcoming the Rahu dosha. That means the ill effects of planet Rahu and gaining the protection from negative influences. It is also believed to bring the peace of mind and help in overcoming the cycle of Maya, that is illusion and hope, as represented by the Rahu. And some more benefits. Overcoming the Rahu dosha. Rahu Deva, the planet associated with the illusion, hopes and struggles, is believed that to have granted a boon that those who worship the Hanuman with Vadamala would be relieved from the Rahu dosha and negative effects from the birth chart, that person who was affected with Rahu dosha. Protection from Maya and illusion hopes. Offering Vadamala is believed to help the devotees break free from the cycle of Maya and the relentless pursuit of elusive hopes, ultimately leading to the peace of mind and strengthening the devotion to the Hanuman. Vadamala is a symbolic offering representing a devotee's devotion to Lord Hanuman, who is known for his unwavering loyalty and service to the Lord Rama. Hanuman is revered for his strength, and offering Vadamala is believed to help the devotees acquire the similar physical and mental strength. And some believes that offering Vadamala can also lead to the removal of the malefic effects of the other planets, as well as provide the courage, knowledge, intellect and devotion. And malefic effects of the Saturn also will be removed. So offering the betel leaves and the Vadamala to Lord Hanuman Saturn effects, Rahu and Ketu effects will be removed, and Mars effects also will be removed, and we will get success in our whatever work we will do. We will get physically and mentally strong, and courage we will get. These are all the benefits by offering the betel leaves and garland and Vadamala to the Lord Hanuman.